Hello guys, Level Up Contractor here. We just finished this beautiful bathroom. We did it ground up, we demolished everything, we did the plumbing, of course, we pulled a permit, we inspect everything as needed with the inspector, we did all electrical, 4 new LED lights, we have a beautiful toilet with the bidet integrated, so we run an outlet over here, GFCI outlet, and then we built this beautiful shower pan with the bench. On top of the bench we apply countertop. You can see the same countertop over here as well on the step, and then mosaic tile for the shower pan and the beautiful tile for the rest of the floor. We install new vanity and all the fixtures came out really nice. Give us a call and we'll help you as well.